In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most of Perplexity AI to kick off your learning journey in any new skill. Whether you're stepping into graphic design, diving into Python programming, or any other skill under the sun, Perplexity AI can be your trusty companion in making that learning process smooth and effective. First, let's open up Perplexity AI in your web browser. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will allow you to access personalized features and keep track of your progress over time. Once you're set up, it's time to dive into the world of learning. Begin by searching for your desired skill with a simple, beginner-friendly prompt. This could be as straightforward as typing, "Teach me the basics of graphic design," or "How to start learning Python programming from scratch." By doing this, you're setting the stage for Perplexity AI to present you with comprehensive, easy-to-follow outlines tailored to beginners. These outlines are a great starting point to understand the fundamental aspects of your chosen skill, giving you a solid foundation before you dive deeper. Now, once you have this outline, it's time to step up your game. Ask Perplexity AI to create a study plan for you. For example, you might say, "Create a 30-day plan to learn video editing." This action prompts the AI to break down the learning process into manageable daily chunks, helping you stay organized and motivated as you progress. A study plan not only keeps you on track, but also ensures you're learning at a pace that suits your schedule. As you soak in this information, you'll want to get hands-on practice. Request Perplexity AI to list free websites and tools where you can hone your skills. Having practical resources at your disposal is immensely helpful in reinforcing what you've learned and applying theory to practice, making your learning experience more dynamic and engaging. To delve even deeper, let's break down your chosen subject into smaller, digestible lessons. Ask the AI to explain layering in graphic design, like "I'm a beginner," for example. This approach allows you to tackle complex topics incrementally, ensuring you grasp each concept fully before moving forward. It's crucial to practice what you've learned daily and use Perplexity AI as your guide to clarify any doubts or quiz yourself along the way. Regular practice strengthens your understanding and boosts your confidence in applying new skills. By following these steps, you take your learning from a broad overview to a detailed, personalized journey that fits your pace and style. Remember, consistency is key, and with Perplexity AI, you have a powerful tool to support you in achieving your learning goals. Stay curious, keep practicing, and enjoy the journey of mastering your new skill.